Don't run away, coward.
He's chasing me.
I already saw it.
Here comes the fox.
What did you say about me?
I run away ease.
Damn cowardly chicken. I swear I'm going to kill you.
I am getting lost. AUUGG. Why did I appear in forts? How stupid she is.
I heard that idiot insulting me.
Leave R. What power? I'm going to build something so that the TV woman doesn't arrive.
You will die. Wait, what's going on? Let me go. Ouch. Ouch, how painful.
Haha, I'm going to throw you to infinity and beyond.
No, please. Nuwu alaya.
I can finally be a PCII. Let's look and see how it turned out.
Serious?